So, conferences are coming up at the end of the week, and you need to have a plan because you're in charge of leading the conference. So, here's a document that'll help you prepare what you want to say when your folks come in on Thursday or Friday. First off, you'll see here it says current events or current issues, not current events. And it's divided into two areas, as you can see, social and academic. So if there are social things going on, you need to add those in. So let's see, I would like to broaden friendship group. Friends. Well, let's put down who we hang out with. Okay. Anybody else you can think of, list there. Then on to academics. Are there things going on academically? I think Spanish right now is a bit of a concern. And maybe grammar. I'm not doing so well on grammar. Okay. So, you are going to proceed on here through this worksheet. Let's move down the page here a little if we can. Down to the next category. Okay. And here you can see it says update on goals. They're gonna, I don't remember, I'm gonna get from Mr. Rice. Okay, what's been going well? Okay, here the main thing I need to do is include details. Have tests or quizzes to show. Same thing's going to be down here. You want to have evidence to show your folks. All right. That is pretty much, there are several more questions or areas here, but with each of them, you want to make sure you have specific details, not just a word or two, because you have 30 minutes to talk to your folks. You're going to need to have things to show them. If you have any questions, please ask.